This video is sponsored by Brilliant. Hey ladies and gents, one of my favorite things about posting a new video on this channel is when I get comments like, "He's back," or "He has returned," or even better, "It's alive!" Honestly, that just proves how bad I am at being a YouTuber. Anyway, if you know me and you've been watching me for a while, good to see you again, and if you're new, welcome. The main reason I've been gone for so long is because, unlike you, I've been employed. Granted, I have posted videos before while holding a regular job, but this time, something happened. I ended up liking the job. And it's been so fun working there that I sorta forgot about posting. So I don't know if that's a good excuse or not, but yeah. And don't worry, I'm not about to start one of those day in the life videos, okay? I'm not here to present to you an unrealistic 9-to-5 lifestyle. By the way, I'd like to address an inaccuracy in the title of this video. Although I am a student in the College of Engineering and Computer Science department, I am not a computer science major. And I never was a computer science major. It says CS in the title because I know who my target audience is. And I know there's a lot of you guys right now whose futures aren't looking so bright. And so I want to exploit that. This is your weekly reminder that the industry is oversaturated and the competition is cutthroat. Landing a job will most likely depend on luck and on who you know, not what you know. And lastly, the trend of coders becoming YouTubers will keep on growing faster and faster. So 6 months ago, I landed my very first tech job as an IT intern at a utility company. And it all happened by chance, so don't even bother asking me how I did it. And no, I am not gatekeeping or trying to reduce competition. You guys are done for. Anyway, where I work, the IT department is divided into 3 teams: applications, networking, and the service desk. And your boy is part of the service desk. My main responsibilities include, but aren't limited to, imaging computers for deployment across various departments and providing technical support. Support can take many different forms, whether it's handling tickets, troubleshooting computers, or answering repeated phone calls from the same person. Pere, 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 pere. Pere, 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 pere. Pere, 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 pere. Yeah. Service desk, Arden speaking. Service desk, Arden speaking. Hello?
Hello, is this IT? This is Harold.
Hey, Harold. How you doing? How can I help you?
Yes. I think there's something wrong with my computer.
Okay, what's going on?
It's showing a message that says press any key to continue.
Oh, okay. Just press any key on your keyboard.
I can't.
You can't? Why not?
That's because I don't have the key that marks any on it.
Huh? Ain't no way. What the fuck? What you mean?
What I'm doing now is completely different from what I expected to be doing before I was hired for this position. I honestly thought I'd be sitting in a call center in a gray office with a headset on my head, picking up phone calls all day wanting to myself. But no. That's just the customer service department. Every day, I get to enjoy every minute of what I do. I get to move around the building, helping others in different departments with their tech problems. I get to go to offsite locations from time to time and meet so many amazing and talented people. It's everything I've ever wanted from a job. I sometimes forget I'm getting paid to be there. Honestly, I once felt like I was committing robbery, okay? That's how much it felt like I was not working. The next big thing I would like to highlight about my internship experience is the hands-on experience I've gained. In the past 4 months that I've been there, I've most definitely learned way more than you did in your entire semester. Applied learning is just so much more effective than your traditional classroom environment, where the only people that can understand what your professors are saying are themselves and maybe someone from their home country.
You need to leave!
I think one of the coolest things I got to learn and do while I was there was terminating and testing network cables. And being able to walk into an IDF room, recognizing what everything is, and knowing exactly what to do is just the coolest feeling ever. And I like that even though I'm in the service desk, I'm not completely isolated from the other teams in the department. So I get to learn about some networking and application stuff just by interacting with them. This internship has me discovering new interests and learning new things almost every day. It's exactly like what you'd experience with Brilliant, the sponsor of this video. Can you imagine someone paying $37,000 each to send 3 people to Antarctica to witness the 24-hour sun just to be convinced that the Earth isn't a disk? No. Well, that actually happened, and that alone goes to show just how important proper education really is. Luckily, Brilliant offers just that. Brilliant is all about learning by doing, with interactive lessons that cover everything from math and data analysis to programming and artificial intelligence. If you're like me, watching lengthy video lectures just doesn't help with retaining information. But with Brilliant, each lesson is filled with hands-on problem solving that lets you play with concepts along with stunning visuals. A method proven to be 6 times more effective than watching video lectures. On top of that, it reinforces critical thinking habits. Something a lot of people are just lacking these days. You don't want to be that guy or girl that just memorizes talking points, okay? With Brilliant, you'll not only build real knowledge on specific topics, but you'll also become a better thinker in the process. Like I've said before, Brilliant offers a plethora of subjects and topics to choose from. If you're a regular viewer of my channel, you might be interested in their programming and CS course, which not only teaches you how to code, but also teaches you how neural networks and large language models work. So what are you waiting for? Go try everything Brilliant has to offer right now for a free full 30 days by visiting my link brilliant.org/ardens or by scanning the QR code on the screen. And you can also click the link in the description. And also, you'll get 20% off an annual premium subscription. Thank you to Brilliant for sponsoring this video. Now, where was I? Right, new interest I've developed from my job. Even doing something as simple as resetting an end user's password in AD because they forgot it just seconds after creating a new one was enough to pique my curiosity to explore system administration. Or the time I was patching cables in the network closet and accidentally disconnected an end user's connection from the patch panel and only realizing it when they later approached me and asked for help with not being able to connect to the network was enough to spark my interest to look into home labbing. So where does that leave me going forward? As some of you may already know, I'm a computer engineering student who switched from computer science at the last minute, mainly because I got into hardware and electronics. And having this internship has made me realize that my passion isn't just for the technical aspects of computers, but also for the practical applications of technology in a real-world setting, specifically in networking and system administration. So I did what I felt was right and switched over to IT. The only unpleasant part about making that move was realizing I took Calc 1, 2, and 3 for nothing. But we move. I got a couple funny stories to share with you guys from my time at this internship, along with some new video ideas I'm looking forward to making. For Christmas last year, I bought myself a few ThinkPads and installed Linux on them. I've been going down this Linux rabbit hole recently, so that's a teaser for what you can expect soon down the line. With all that being said, having this job has taught me a lot. 1, I learned what jobs I'd like to pursue as a career and which path I should take to get there. 2, that soft skills are just as important, and if not even more important than your technical skills. 3, that the whole office work is soulless and depressing narrative is pure nonsense. It's really the people you work with that makes a difference. And finally 4, I learned that network engineers are without a doubt assholes. Have a good day, bye.